Here is a Hyperia construction update, Project Exodus, the new Mack Rides hypercoaster coming to the Thorpe Park Resort for the 2024 season. This was taken on the 5th of November at Thorpe Park Resort, and there was not too much work going on the track today, but it did seem as if they were doing work on the station. So enjoy today's off-ride footage for the Hyperia construction update. Thank you very much for watching. If you do enjoy the video, please do give it a like, subscribe to Coasternaut for more videos in the future. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.